What's poppin', what's Gucci, guys? If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. So yesterday I was supposed to film a video of me installing a premium audio system inside my Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus, but unfortunately the subwoofer broke on the way here. So Hancho actually sent me this premium audio system for free, but on the way here, all the screws came out and then some of the wiring broke as well. So I spent like a total of 7 hours yesterday taking apart my car and then putting it all back together, and it was super frustrating. But that's not what today's video is going to be about. Since that premium audio system is broken, I still have another install to show you guys, and it's going to be these carbon fiber mirror caps that I ordered off of Amazon, I believe. So yeah, even though the car looks pretty good how it is right now, I think the carbon will really make it pop out even more. And eventually I'm going to be doing like a lowering spring install as well as wheel swaps and things like that. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below. But without further ado, let's clean the mirrors first and then install it. Let's go. So we're done installing the carbon fiber mirror caps. I think it looks pretty good aside from the part that some of the white pieces on the car or the white paint still shows. So yeah, super easy install. I think they were about $30 or $40 on Amazon in case you guys were interested. I'll leave a link down below. But for those of you who watch my car wash video and want to see me hand wash my car, I'm about to do it, and I apologize for the helicopter if you guys can still hear me. But yeah, let's go ahead and wash my car real quick because it's been about a couple of weeks and I haven't really gotten a chance to wash my car after I ceramic coated it. So let's see how it turns out. Well, there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I installed the carbon fiber mirror caps as well as washed my car, so you guys know exactly how I wash my cars now. And I know this video wasn't super informative or anything like that, but if you want to stay tuned for more install videos or even more informative videos in the future, make sure to subscribe down below. Again, I'm kind of disappointed that I spent 7 hours of nothing yesterday trying to install the premium audio system that Hansho sent me, but oh well, it's gonna be okay. But yeah, again, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. But as always guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.